In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive. If you want to store your pictures safely online, keep them organized, or make them easier to access from different devices, Google Drive is a simple and reliable option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to upload photos from your device into your Google Drive account. First, go to your Google Drive homepage. Once the page opens, you'll be in the main area where all of your files and folders are managed. This is the starting point for almost everything you do in Drive, so if you're new to the platform, don't worry, you're in the right place. Next, look to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section is where your personal files and folders are stored. Opening My Drive helps make sure you're uploading your photos into your main storage area where you can easily find them later. If your drive already has folders set up, you can always move the photos afterward, but starting in My Drive keeps the process simple. After that, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on New. This button opens a menu with different options for creating or adding content to your drive. It's the main upload control, so whenever you want to add files from your computer or device, this is usually where you begin. From the menu that appears, click on File Upload. As soon as you do that, a file browser window will open on your device. This is where you can browse through your local folders and choose the photos you want to upload. If you're not sure where your images are stored, check common locations like your Pictures folder, Downloads folder, or Desktop. Now select the photos from your device. You can choose one photo or multiple photos depending on what you want to upload. Once you've made your selection, confirm it in the file browser window and the upload will begin. You should then see your photos being added to Google Drive. Give the upload a moment to finish, especially if the image files are large or if you're uploading several at once. It's also a good idea to stay on the page until the upload completes so you can confirm everything was added successfully. And that's it. Your photos are now uploaded to Google Drive and ready to be viewed, organized, or shared whenever you need them.